What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I know it's been a long while and you've not seen me on here, but I'm back this time on your screens with some top-down analysis on some major pairs that we'll be looking at for next week. So every week I'll be bringing you analysis on market structure, top-down analysis on some major pairs to look at for the next week. So without much talk, let's dive right into it. So we are starting with NAS100, which is our first pair. So on NAS100, what are we seeing? So this is the daily time frame on NAS100. As you can see, daily time frame. You can see NAS was bullish and we have some kind of bearish formation here, but I'm not looking at all this. What I'm looking at is my trading range. So I'll take from this current high that was formed over here. I'm taking from this current high to where price is currently to this low. So as you can see, we have some kind of bearish pressure in the market. Market came up, reacted from this fair value gap over here, then started dropping. So ideally, from what is happening here, I would expect market to maybe retrace back into any point of interest within this move, then continue selling. So this is what I'm looking at. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Good. So this is it on the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see, the bearish move on the 4-hour time frame, we had this reaction from here, and now we've cleared this major low right here. We have this break of structure right here. So this is a break of structure. So since we have this break of structure, we've broken this major low. This high right here that I marked could actually be what? An inducement. So price could what? From down here, create some structure to come somewhere here before it sells, using this high as an inducement. So I'm looking at two things right now. Either price reacts from any other block within this move, which preferably I'm looking at somewhere around these areas. So either price can do something like this, react from here, come down a little, won't break the low, but come down a little, then take out the high to create over here, then come to this high like this, take out the high, then drops. This can also be a possibility. So I'm looking at these 2 points of interest. So obviously I'm not going to enter directly when like prices get here. I'm always going to look for a lower time frame confirmation, whether maybe the 1 hour or 15 minutes. I'll be looking for some kind of formation like this, maybe highs, then a sweep, then change of character, then I'll be looking to take an entry to the downside like this. And if maybe possibly price violates this straight away, I can also expect that price, I'll be looking for the same confirmation from up here. So this is what I'm looking at on NAS100. And also as price is moving up to mitigate any of these points of interest on the lower time frame, it can form structure for us to trade from, maybe take some buys from. Can be forming some structures where we can find maybe some buys from here to the upside to this point of interest or this point of interest on the lower time frame. So we'll be keeping an eye for that, and we are going to see what price does. But ideally, this is what I'm looking at. Either price comes here, reacts from here, or it takes out this high, uses as inducement, then comes to this high and sell from here. So this is what I'm looking at on NAS100, and I'll be dropping updates on this. Whatever happens, I'll be dropping updates on the channel and also my Twitter page. So if you are not following my Twitter page, you can follow my Twitter page, 7pips. I'll be dropping updates there. So that's it for NAS100. And our next pair which we'll be looking at, I think we should be looking at GBPUSD. GBPUSD. I think I'm using FX here. Okay, so on GBPUSD daily time frame. So on GBPUSD, we can see what this recent leg of price action has been bearish. Even though we broke this high, but price broke this low, came down here, reacted from here, and breaking this low. So we've swept this low, kind of like a break of structure right here, and now we are reacting from here. So as usual, all this is the daily time frame, so I'm not really focusing on all these. These are just giving me what a broader picture. So I'm looking at this recent move that's happening. I'm looking at this recent move that is happening right here. Good. So let's jump onto the 4-hour time frame and see what is happening. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see what? We can see a break of structure of this external structure right here. We've broken structure here. US. And now we are reacting from point of interest around here. We are reacting from some kind of point of interest around these zones. So these are the zones we are reacting from. So like this, let me delete this. You can see that price has swept this high right here into this fair value gap. If I draw a line from here, you can see that price was swept the high. So price is what on the bearish move, and we've had a break of structure here like this. By the way, last week a lot of people got banned on the buys on this pair. So this a change of character, because we were what in high highs, high lows, broke this high highs. So when we reacted from here, we have this change of character. So now that we have this change of character, we are targeting this overall. We are targeting this low right here. We are targeting this low. So let me change the color of this to let's say blue. Let me give it a better color. This blue. Okay, good. So we are targeting this low. We are targeting this low. So right now we are here. What we are looking for is that price retraces into this zone. Any valid point of interest here, then we take it from there. So we can see a lot of other blocks right here. Someone can mark this out as another block. We are basically trading from other blocks. So another person can see price can come to this zone here before this very extreme zone. But personally, this very extreme zone, I'm thinking it's unlikely, very unlikely that price will come here. So what I'm looking at is, preferably I would want price to come to this zone so that it can use this high as some kind of inducement, since there is no inducement to the current leg. So this high can be some kind of inducement. But as you know, price can do anything. So similar to what we have on NAS, we can, when price gets here, we can look for a confirmation. We can look for a confirmation entry. Then we get into the move to take out this immediate low, or price our price violates this zone completely, come here, then gives us some kind of confirmation. Always we are taking our trade confirmation because this is the higher time frame, unless you want to be swinging and you'll be entering your trade straight, and even with that one it carries a lot of risk. So we'll be looking for confirmations always. So we get something like this, then we take our trades to the downside. This is what I'm looking on GBPUSD. So price can react from here, can also react from here, but preferably I want price to react from here at inducement. Also, price can what on a lower time frame, price can give us bullish structures to trade a pullback. Though trading pullbacks, you must know trading pullbacks are what very dangerous, because if you are not experienced and you don't know what you're doing, you get banned. So we can also trade the pullbacks depending on the structure price provides on the lower time frame. So this is it for GBPUSD. I'll be moving on to the next pair now, which is EURUSD. So let's check what's happening on EURUSD. So on EURUSD, you know, EURUSD and GBPUSD have similar kind of movement. So on a daily time frame as well on EURUSD, the break of structure is clearly evident on EURUSD more than GBPUSD. So we have our BOS right here. Then we can see this kind of consolidation right here. So on the 4-hour time frame, I never pick my point of interest from the day. I always pick my point of interest from the 4-hour time frame because I'm a day trader. I'm not a swing trader. Even sometimes I'm on the 5 minutes time frame trading. So why should I go up to the 1 day time frame to pick a point of interest? So on EURUSD, you can see price is reacting. It's already reacting, and we had a series of what? We have this bullish break, retracement. We had another bullish break, and price is reacting from these areas. So currently we have a change of character. Let me mark that out. We have a change of character right here, and we've seen this retracement into this other block. Here we saw this retracement into this other block. So ideally, what I'll be looking for on EURUSD, we have a break of structure right here. We have a break of structure right here. So I'll be looking for what? A retracement into this point of interest right here to take my sales to this low. My overall target is this low. So let me change the color to blue. Targeting this low. So as you can see, we have this reversal concept over here, and we've taken this external structure also. We've broken this external structure. So we have this break of structure as well. So I'll be expecting what? Price to retrace. I'll be expecting price to retrace into this point of interest. Then I'll have some kind of confirmation, maybe a sweep, then a change of character. Take my entry from here to the downside. So EURUSD is pretty straightforward than GBPUSD. As you can see the structure, this is what I'm expecting. Or markets, markets could do anything, so we could violate all these zones, use this high as what? Inducement or some sweep, and come up here, or we can keep going bullish. But for the meantime, this is what I'm seeing. For the meantime, this is what we are seeing. So I'll be expecting what? A reaction from this zone and taking price to the downside. So it's pretty forward and pretty straightforward on Euro USD more than GBPUSD. So our next pair I think we should be looking at is XAUSD, which is good. XAUUSD. So on good on the daily time frame. So gold has been on the daily time frame. You can see gold has been dropping since March or January. Gold has been dropping. The momentum is crazy. But what can we see now? Let me mark this range. This low. Mark this high. Good. So this is the range I'm looking at on gold, and on a 4-hour time frame, what do we see? You can see that on the 4-hour time frame, even though gold has been bearish, we had a break of structure here. A break of structure here. You can see gold has not broken this low. Gold has not broken this low to validate the structure, the bearish structure. To validate the bearish structure, gold must well break this low. And we can see we have this internal break here. I wouldn't consider this a change of character though, but we can still consider it as like an internal change of character, whatever you want to call it. Because ideally, to see gold going more bullish, I would want to see price take out this high, or this high. I would say this high. So let me mark this out as a change of character. So after taking this high, we see price reacting. We see price reacting from here, and price would give this change of character also right here. So I think the bullish intent, buyers are showing intent that they want to keep buying. Buyers are showing intent that they want to keep buying. So this could be the start of what a reversal. So I would be expecting price to come. Ideally, this is the point of interest I'll be expecting price to come into, because price reacted from this fair value gap, and it seems like price is going bullish. But I'm thinking price will sweep this low. As inducement or engineered liquidity. I'm thinking price to sweep this low. So if price sweeps this low, I'll be looking for confirmation. If price gives a successful confirmation, I'll be looking to long gold XAUSD. This is what I'm expecting. I'll be looking to long XAUSD. Also, remember that price can do anything. It's not always that price will move according to a direction or do our will. So price can violate these blocks and keep selling, or you can keep buying. So this is what I'm looking at on gold. So whatever be the case, when price gets into a point of interest, I'll only wait for confirmation. You must also wait for confirmation before taking a phase. As I said earlier, I'll be giving updates on my Twitter page, which is 7 pips. So do well to follow me there. If you are not there with me already, follow me there, then you can catch all the updates. So this is it for gold that I'm looking at. I'll be looking at silver also, XAUUSD. Good. So for silver, let's go to the daily time frame. Just like GBPUSD and Euro USD, gold and silver also have some similarities. So let me mark this range also. I'm not going to be looking for point of interest in the daily time frame. I have no interest in doing that since I'm a day trader. Okay, now on the 4-hour time frame, for silver on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have this break of structure here. We have this break of structure. Now we have this brick over here that someone might call a change of character, but the skeptical aspect of silver is that you can see silver reacting from this place. It swept this point of interest. Silver swept. So silver is not really showing a very, very bullish intent, just like gold is showing. So what if it just comes continuous selling to take out this low? Do you get what I'm saying? So for silver, I'm not really considering silver to be very, very, very bullish unless it shows what a bullish intent. So a point of interest that will be worth looking at is this side, just like gold. So we are stuck between silver. We are stuck between deciding to go bullish or bearish, and we will only wait for the market to confirm our bias and our decision. We are not going to force anything. So we can have this. We can have this. Have a confirmation, then continue buying, or we can also have price what reacting from this other block confirmation in the lower time frame and keep selling. So for silver, I'm keeping my options open. I'm waiting for the market to open and react so we can see what you're actually doing. Wherever we get to or wherever the market gets to, we pick our decision from there. So that's it on silver. Nothing much. It's not really giving the bullish intent like gold is doing. So if I'm looking to even take any bias, I prefer to take it on gold rather than silver. So this is my look on silver, and our next pair we'll be looking at would be BTC. BTC USD. So on the daily time frame, BTC. Good. From the daily time frame BTC, you can see though we're bearish, but we can see some kind of bullish intent coming in. So I'm marking this. So I'm marking this. And on the 4-hour time frame, we can see a series of what higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and currently we are reacting from these areas. So even though we have the external structure is bearish, we have this break here. The external structure is bearish. We have this break of structure here. So to keep going bearish, let me move this. Good. So to keep going bearish, I'll be expecting price to take out this low. Good. So you can also see BTC reacting. We haven't taken this high yet, which would confirm an overall bullish bias. So this could be what just some kind of reversal. This is an internal structure, so you could turn out this could be a reversal. You can go bullish or can go bearish. So one point of interest I'll be looking at considering is this zone right here. This zone right here looks good to me. So in case of a bearish continuation, I'll be looking to take my entry from here. Obviously, confirmation on the lower time frame and yeah, that's it. So as you can see price is retracing right here. Price is retracing. So maybe on a lower time frame, if price gives any bullish structure, you think you can cut an entry from there. Already I've said that trading reversals can be very risky. So if you think you have the knowledge on what you are doing, you can catch reversal from here to this point of interest. That's good. But generally, I'm looking at this is what I'm looking at. So if price gives a confirmation, I'll give an update on my Twitter page, 7 pips. Then you consider the movement. Also, if price violates, then it means change of bias. We'll be looking at the next plan. So the last pair I'll be watching here is US30. Now on US30 daily time frame, on US30 we can see, on a daily time frame we can see this immediate leg is bearish. This immediate leg of price right here, immediate leg of price right here, this from this particular high to this low we can see. So let's mark out our range as usual. Let me change my colors. Good. So on the 4-hour time frame, okay, US30 is quite clear. It's quite clear. On the 4-hour time frame, I have this immediate break of structure. I think this swing low hasn't been taken yet, but the external structure hasn't been taken yet. So this external structure, the external low, it hasn't been taken yet. So in case market is continuing bearish, we are targeting this external low. So this is what I'm seeing on US30. So as you can see, structure is bearish. We have this change of character right here. Right here is a change of character. And price came back, reacted, broke structure, came back, retraced, broken structure again. So I'm thinking price would come maybe somewhere here. Then this temporary high, I think it will be taking. I think this will be used as liquidity, so price can sweep, then give a reaction, change of character, and we take ourselves to the downside. So I think US30 is pretty straightforward. I'm thinking we are going bearish. So from here, confirmation on the lower time frame as usual, then we take our trade. So that's all for this week. Thank you for joining me. I'll be coming your way with same analysis on next week, maybe during the midweek. If anything changes, I'll make another video to update you. But next week, I'll be coming your way with another video, and I promise next week's video will be earlier. So don't forget to like, share, and also forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more updates. So I'll see you in the next one, and have a profitable trading week. Bye.